day. I'm about to show you something magnificent that happened to us. It's a miracle. So, yeah, let me show you. Baby bird. Look at him, he's so cute. Oh, there he goes. His mama and stuff are trying to find him. They're like looking at him and stuff, like what is happening right now. So yeah, that is some random junk right there. But yeah, that is so cool. He landed in he was like in our trampoline. Me and my brother were gonna get on it and jump. I stepped on there and the bird went crazy. It was so cute when I saw him. I was like, what the heck is that? He started flying past my head. I was like, nope. Is there a bat in here? And I looked, it was a baby bird, and I was like, oh my gosh. So I picked him up, and I was like, hey, buddy. And I showed my aunt touched it, and we had to go wash our hands because we didn't want to get a disease or anything, but it was fine. I'm hoping the bird doesn't jump over the fence and hurt itself. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Come here. No, come here. I want you. I don't actually want you. I just want to make sure you don't hurt yourself on these. Because you're just a baby bird. You could hurt yourself. Okay, apparently I can't do it with 2 hands, so, or 1 hand, so I'm going to have to do it for just a moment.
Leave it alone.
I'm doing a video about it. Don't. Tatum. Tatum, say hi to the camera. Say hi. Wave. Don't be shy. You want to come see the little baby bird? Let's go see. Ready? Can I help you? Mm-hmm. You see him right there. Right there. You see him? Right in there. He's so cute. I think this could be his little home. I mean, look, it's like camouflage. You like your little baby bird? You like the little baby bird? I'm gonna have to live stream about this. So bye, guys.